How to remove friends on Discord. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can remove your friends on Discord, so just make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you'd like to remove your friends on Discord, all you have to do is simply first of all open the Discord app on your PC or wherever else you prefer. Then you want to go to the friends section, which you can do so by clicking the Discord option, going to friends and going to all friends section. Here you'll be able to see all the friends you've added. To delete these friends and remove them, just click the three dots option right next to this, and then you'll find this little button where it says remove friend. You want to make sure to just click on remove friend. It'll ask you for a confirmation, are you sure you want to remove? Then you can just click the remove friend option in order to delete the specific friend. This way you can remove your friends on Discord. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.